Hi all. So if you are not new to my channel, you might have seen or you might have come across some shorts. So I have recently started putting out some shorts. So this is not the short I'm talking. These are the short I'm talking. Let me just open. I'm not sure if you are will be able to hear something. Okay, so this person is explaining data binding. Okay, let's see the second one. This is explaining signal. So you won't be able to hear the voice, but you might have seen the video. So this is not a real person. These are the AI created videos. So if you're using YouTube or Instagram, you might have seen ki how people are creating YouTube videos, right? So many YouTube videos are there which looks like these are not real, right? So we have so many AI tools now. Those are helpful for us to create the YouTube AI videos, AI generated videos. So again, this doesn't concerns us, right? As a Angular developer or a full stack developer, why you should know this? But in the back of your mind, you should have a clear idea when we talk about generative AI. You might have heard this word, ki, what is generative AI? So when we talk about generative AI, so we should have it clearly that what AI is capable of. Okay. So everything what AI can do, it's not just code what we say. So what AI can do, right? It can create a video, it can create an audio, it can write a code for you, it can create a PDF, it can analyze your data and it can create some chart also. So many things are there what AI can do, right? So here I'm going to explain you one more video where I'm going to explain you ki how I'm creating this video. So Google Flow. Okay. So Google Flow is one of the AI tool which helps you to create AI videos. Okay. It's not that much hard. Ki, yeah, basic videos it will create. But if you have seen, just visit my channel and go to the short section. See these three video ki how in depth those videos are, how the answer it is giving, how different angles it is shooting. It looks like a real person is recording is and some real person is actually explaining it to you, right? So for that, okay, now with Google Flow, so you get with the free version you get around I think 50 credits. So with 50 credit you can create 10 second video. The maximum time what you it can create a video is 50 seconds. So I cannot waste for another video, but let me just show you one more video I have created. So let's open this. So this simple prompt was there that create a video of alien who is working his in spaceship. Okay, so let's open it. Let me play it to you. So you can see with a just simple prompt, 10-second video I got an alien who is working in his spaceship. Okay, let's see another one. This was the second one. Why? Wait. So you can see another AI video, which is spaceship is landing. Very simple prompt was there and it has generated a very basic one. But when we talk about programming related videos, when I'm explaining that interview questions, I want to explain it, you need a very better prompt. Okay, so I had uploaded an image, so it is showing that. So here you can see all the videos, whatever you are seeing it over there, those are coming from over here. Now I had to waste around means almost 3 to 4 days I took, and then my final prompt is ready, which helps me to create a proper shot. Okay, now it doesn't whatever the information you are seeing it over there, it doesn't create the information itself. We have to provide it. Ki what text you need to show, what angle you need to show. Whenever we talk about cinematography, top angle, right angle, right? So some extra things also you need to specify. Ki how do you need that video? You need an Indian accent, you need an Indian developer who is speaking it, you need to show some code snippet or not. So you can see this was a chain detection video. So chain detection in Angular, this was my question, then answer. Whenever I have a show, whenever I have added like show this code, so it will show some code in the screen, right? Now let me just create a short question answer that, just give me some time. So let's say I want to create a new chart where I'm explaining key apart from basic signal, what else things are there? Computed signal, link signal, input, output, content child, all are signal now, right? So what I have done, this is my question in the same prompt. Now my prompt is ready. Every time I just have to update the topic and the full answer. Okay. So here I have shown like this is the question and this is the answer. I wanted to show this as a signal first, means what are the type and a screen label. So that I have said, then I have explained everyone like this. Then I have some instruction, like 0 2 second show in true question, then angular like that. Okay. Wait. This is improve the text above, right? Last 10 second show like follow more angular question something, right? Then some rules. Each clip must be 10 separate 10 second. It should be in a sync, like first 10 second, then next 10 second should be in a sync with the last one. So some rules. Okay. So this will be my prompt. Let's copy it and put it over here. So it will go over here. Again, the same project and the same prompt I'm using so that it knows the history, what kind of a video it is creating. Let's go ahead. So it will consider key how many credit is going to need. Normally 15 credit or 20 credit it might need. Okay, let's see how much credit it needs. So from here you can do some settings also, which accept ratio you need. So I think three what 10 second videos it is going to use. Okay, let's give it some time to create it. So whatever the prompt you have written, it is creating a video for it. You also give it a try. It's free. You might have an idea, right? So just put out there. Start with very basic and you see ki how much carefully it will create the videos in a very, very different angles and everything. Lip sync and everything will look the same as it like it was a real person who was recording it. Okay, let's give it some time. So here you can see 3 videos it is connecting in a sequence. Let's wait for some time. Okay. So videos are ready. Let me just unplug my headset so that you can see the voice also. Wait. This one is yes. So this is the first. Let's copy the computed signals are for direct state, like a total price that automatically updates whenever the price or quantity signals change. Got it? So this is the first. Let's see the second part. Next, link signal is writable but stays connected to a source. We also have signal-based inputs and outputs now, which significantly increase reactivity. Getting it? See the lip sync and everything. Let's see the third one. Finally, queries like view chat and content chat are now signal-based, making DOM references reactive. Use these for modern high-performance Angular apps. Follow for more Angular interview questions. Got it? So 3 videos it has created. Now let's say I want to combine it. So here only we have scenes. I can go on a plus over here, create scene, and I can combine that. So here I can combine. So this is the first one, add to the scene, then second one, third one, and it will combine it also. Just the normal thing, right? So see, just like Google Flow, again, ChatGPT has disabled that Sora video generation, but again, so many players are there who are helping you to create the AI videos, right? But again, everyone has the limitation. No, with the plain plan, with the paid plan also, you cannot generate unlimited. As we are always saying, like AI is not free; it's very costly. Okay, so that's that. Okay, I just wanted to have you idea ki yeah, with AI, how many things are possible. So when you say generative AI, so what it is actually capable of. So this is an example of it. I hope this video was helpful to you. So this is my separate channel where I'm not just putting it Angular concept or the .NET concept. Some AI related stuffs also I'm sharing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for liking the content. I hope you are enjoying the content what I'm putting it out there. Thank you.